And even scarier is that this could lead to $15 million in lost revenues. $15 million, right? Think of the data analysts you could hire with $15 million. You could probably hire 100 of them, right? Imagine that. And why does this matter, right? Not only does it matter because poor data quality is losing you millions, but it matters because you are being asked by your boss's boss's boss to deploy an AI project. And I'm here to tell you that modern data quality is the foundation for AI success. You are trying to get AI ready. Now is the time to close out Slack or stop responding to email and really perk up. Put simply, legacy data quality tools are putting your AI projects at risk. Right? We all saw the MIT report that's making all of its rounds on all of our LinkedIns right now. But really, if you drill into some of the data that's been around for a little while, what we're seeing is that 30% of Gen AI projects will be abandoned this year. And 42% of organizations say they do not trust the outputs of their AI models. Well, you can join your peers and invest today in a data quality strategy. Because 67% of data and analytics leaders are prioritizing data quality and data governance as one of their top investments. And 70% will adopt modern data quality solutions to better support their AI initiatives.